Ryan, how are you?
Hey, dude, is it recording?
Yes.
Dude, then why don't we make a video then? Yeah, I'm in the base. Yeah, I'm in the base. Yeah. And where are the rest of the guys?
They're coming. They're coming.
Okay. Which way? Because where?
Shut up and tell me.
Bye-bye. Oh! You're like, holy!
What happened to you?
I got shot in the leg, man. A bullet's still in my foot.
Crap.
I know. I'm fine. Let's do Airsoft War 2. Go hide, man. I will be here. I will be right there, in there. Okay, and he will be right where you see him. I'm gonna hit your head. Don't do that at home, kids.